Hello beautiful goddess, welcome back to my channel. Helinda's Alluring Makeup. Yes. Okay, so I know I've been MIA for a while, but I am back. And I'm ready to shell out content for you all. Yes, I'm ready to shell out some content. And I'm honestly just really happy to be filming again. There's just been like so much going on in my personal life. There was like a lot going on, and I honestly don't think that I was really in the right headspace to be filming videos. Like, no, I wouldn't really want to do that. And what I really notice is that your audience can definitely like observe your overall mood, and I didn't want to like transfer my energy onto others. You know, it's been like a lot. It really has. But I am so happy with the direction that I'm going, and it's just been a huge process. It's been a huge process, but I am just like taking it head on, and I love every moment of it. I love every moment. I love every moment. You know, it's all been worth it. You know, when I really think about it, it's all been worth it. Like, my life has changed a lot for the good. And, you know, the universe knows what it's doing. The universe knows what it's doing. And oh, by the way, you. Yeah, you. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. I am talking to you. I seen you showing me some love under my comments. Y'all know who you are. You know who you are. And to the subscribers and non-subscribers, if you haven't placed any comments, positive comments under my videos, take a pause right now and put a comment down below this video saying, hey goddess, hey goddess. Thank you for all of the love. I really appreciate it. I appreciate everyone subscribing to me still, even though I've been a little MIA. Not even a little, a lot. But you know, I am let me just say, there's positivity around me. There's positivity around my significant other, me, and I am so ready for the future. So let's get to this video. Let's get to this video. Thank you. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. Actually, the product that I use on my brows is the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream in Espresso. The foundation that I use is Juvia's Place foundation, and that's the Velvety Matte Foundation in Malawi, and that's a full coverage. And I buffed that into my skin using my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. By buffing, I mean tapping motions, like I'm tapping the foundation into my skin. Now it's time to start the highlighting process. First things first, I make 2 different types of mixes to conceal under my eyes. I'm blending LA Girl Pro Concealer in Espresso and Ruby Kisses Concealer in Toffee. The inner part of my face, I add way more Toffee than Espresso because it has to be lighter. Now, in the outer part of my face, I add more Espresso than Toffee into the mix, which is 2 separate mixes. And then I blend. Then blend from darkest to lightest, but I use two separate brushes. I usually just go back and forth between the two brushes just to guarantee a nice finish that looks realistic and natural. Hey, what can I say? I'm a bad bee. This just guarantees the realistic look. Now let's move on to contouring the face. The product that I use is NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, Get It, in Walnut. I'm blending this with a clean setting brush. I like this concealer because I think the deep walnut blends into the foundation very nicely. Also, the finish comes out smooth when transitioning between the two shades. It looks lolis. If you're still watching, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Just reminding you, goddess, you know, you gotta like, you gotta comment, you gotta subscribe here and there, show me some love, Now I'm using a smaller brush, which is Sephora's concealer brush in 71, and I'm using that to blend out the harsh lines, the concealer, the NYX concealer. I'm not really going to go into detail with the nose. Maybe I'll do like a separate video for that. We are setting things right. Okay, so I'm setting underneath my eyes, my cupid's bow above my lip area, that whole area, and my chin, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and also the contour underneath my cheekbone. For the eyeshadow, I didn't apply any eyeshadow. I just put the concealer on my eyelids, and I used benign powder in Sienna. Now, Juvia's Place loose highlighter is the truth. It is just amazing, and I'm using it in Nubia. I'm applying / blending this very vibrant highlighter. Boom. Applying Nubia in my tear duct, and also the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and on my little cupid's bow, Once my eyelid looks matte enough, I use my eyeliner from NYX Cosmetics, and that's the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Love the matte finish. I love the matte finish. I love matte liners. I do want to try some new ones though. Please leave a comment down below some of your favorite liners. out for these lashes. I don't even know the name of them. I found these lashes in my eyelash case. I think they're 3D lashes. By the way, the case is on the Helinda's Alluring Makeup site. Just go to the ham accessories part of the site, and it should be displayed down below. Just scroll and you'll see it. That I'm applying on my lips is the liner in Load from NYX, and that's the LL08 Foolish Ways to line my lips, which looks a little iffy right now. I feel like once the lipstick gets applied, it will look perfect and well put together. This lipstick right here is NYX Liquid Suede. And this is the shade Sandstorm LSCL07. Now I'm applying the lipstick. Ooh. Say less. Say less, ancestors. Just say less. I hear. Guess what we have here? Guess what we have here? We have Juvia's Place blush palette. And this is the Saharan blush palette, the volume 1. Yes, volume 1. Now the setting spray was applied off camera. After I was done, I was like, alright, setting spray, boom. I forgot to actually put it into the video, but the setting spray that I did use is e.l.f. setting spray, and that's the matte finish setting spray. This is the finished product. Yes, yes. If you are watching this, you are at the end of this video, and I just want to blow you some kisses and say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate it. You know, you made it to the end. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. I greatly appreciate it. Again, I greatly appreciate it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you care about a fellow goddess. Peace.